Good morning, succulent lovers. Today I am going to focus on this succulent fountain that about 4 months ago, I had removed several of the existing plants because they had gotten way too big for each tier. So I took those out and I put them in a larger planter, and then I added some smaller succulents to each tier. And I probably should have stopped there, but I then decided to add some leftover blue fireglass that I had. And I typically like to use fireglass with l.o.v.e.r. So I will be splitting this into 2 episodes. So today will be episode 1, and I will focus on removing all of the blue fireglass and then taking out some of the plants that are not doing so well. First step is removing as much glass as possible. I am all done with the bottom tier. I removed all of the plants that I wanted to remove, and now I'm going to move on to the second tier. Check out these little ghosties. I planted them in here as cuttings, and they've gotten pretty large. This orange's doing really great. It's pretty. So I am done with the second tier. I removed a lot of the existing plants, and I will be keeping the golden torch cactus, the portulacaria. My sedum is doing really well. The color is so beautiful. The echeveria, and then the little euphorbia is staying there. I am moving on to the last tier, and I will be removing the mammillaria because it is not doing so great. It's very overcrowded here. It's definitely outgrown this tier. It's the most shallow one. So I need to get it out of there so that it starts doing better. I am done removing all of the succulents and the blue fireglass. I mean, there is still some in there, but I'm going to mix it in with new soil, and you won't be able to tell that I ever made that mistake. So I'm done with that part, and I am going to be moving on. So I'm all out of time today, but tune in on Thursday to see the finished succulent fountain. Thank you so much for watching.